This is the website editor overview video. And in this video I want to go over the website editor features and show you where things are and what they're used for. So first I want to show you the editor toolbar buttons across the top here. The first one is the settings button. Clicking this button will open the settings dialog where you can update the niche of the website, edit the website name, and set the description. There are also some other details in here like the IP address of the website and the site ID and web server name. From here you can also set the default contact email for the site wherever the contact us form is used, and as well as change the file extension for the site in case you need to install some PHP or ASP scripts and need to change that as well. These checkboxes are where you can turn on and off the site level features, and over here on the right you can insert your Google Analytics code for more of an in-depth traffic statistics. I will show you how to create a Google Analytics account and how to set this up in another video. Below that you have links to save the website as a pre-configured site to be installed again as another site later on, and you can also export the site to a zip file, so you do have full control here. The next button is the keyword settings, and clicking this button will open the dialog where you can apply keyword projects to the site so you can have access to those project selected keywords from other areas in this site. For example, when bulk adding pages or ordering page content. I'll explain how to apply keyword projects to your website in another video. The next button is the domains detail. Clicking this button will open up the domain dialog where you can update the temporary URL hostname or apply a domain to this website. And again, I'll explain how to search and register domains as well as add on your own domains that you already own on another video. The next button is the templates button. Clicking this will open the templates dialog where you can load any design templates that you may have already previously saved. If you hover over the templates button in the icon bar, there's an option to save as template. What this does is it takes the current applied design template to your site and allows you to save this so you can make versions or variations of it and save them so you can then apply them again to other websites in the future. I'll explain how to do that in more detail in another video. The next button is the design button. This button does not require you to click on it. However, there is a context menu that will drop down and display all the sections of the website where you can open an advanced design detail dialog. I'll explain the advanced design dialogs and how they are used in another video. Alright, so the next button is the Snippets button. This button does not require you to click on it. There is a context menu here as well, and from here you can get the list of all the snippet zones within the website to edit them. Or you can show and hide these snippet zones right from here. I'll explain what snippet zones are and how they are used in another video. The next one is the Pages button. Clicking this will open the Add Pages dialog, but there's also a context menu here that has two options to open the Add Pages dialog, but also to manage pages and navigation. The Add Pages is where you can quickly add pages to your site, and the Manage Pages and Navigation is where you can set up your website navigation bar. I'll explain how to do both of those things in separate videos. Again, this is just a quick overview of what these buttons and tabs are. The next one is the Meta Tags button. Clicking this will open a dialog where you can update the meta tags for the page that is currently being displayed. Meta tags are used for setting up your page keywords, the title, and the description that will help your site get ranked in the search engines such as Google or Bing or Yahoo. The next one is the Content button. Clicking this will open the content orders for this blog, and from here you can create new content orders for pages and pre-configured merge fields on this website. I explain how to create content orders and apply those content orders in another video. The next one is the Forms button. Clicking this will open the forms list where you can edit and create new forms. You can get the merge placeholder or the raw HTML code from those forms so you can insert them into your page content and snippet zones. I'll explain more about how to apply those forms on your site and about pre-configured merge fields in a separate video. Alright, so the next one here is the Links button. Clicking this will open a list of all of your tracking and cloaking links. You can click the Edit button to make changes to the links, and click the link to get the link URL that you will use when creating hyperlinks in your page content. You can also create new links right from here. This next one here is the Preview button. Clicking this will open your website in a new window so you can see all of your changes on the website the same way your visitors would see them. But this does not publish your changes live. This is just to get a real preview of what the site is going to look like so you can see that it's working properly before you go ahead and publish your site. The next one is the View Site button. Clicking this will open your live website in a new browser window so you can see what is currently published and visible on the web to your site visitors. And this last one here is the Publish button. Clicking this will publish your latest changes of this website to the web servers and make those changes go live to the world. Over here on the left-hand side you have two tabs. One is the Quick Settings tab and the other is the Pre-configuration tab. The Quick Settings is where you can make common design changes like color scheme and change header and background images. And again, I'll explain how the Quick Settings works in another video. The other tab is the Pre-configured settings, and here's where you will update all of the settings for your pre-configured websites. This is where most of your changes will be made to get your site set up for your needs. I'll explain this feature in more detail on another video. On the website area itself, there are sections we call hot zones, and when you click on them, you will get a menu that will give you options for making changes to that section. For example, if I click on the content area, I will get the context menu that will provide me options to edit the page content, set design elements, and access the advanced design settings. And if I click on the navigation bar, it will give me a different set of options that are specific to moving and managing the navigation bar. Feel free to click on the different areas of the site and the different menus so you know where things are when you need them. There is one other major feature to note, and that's the layout mode changer. If you click on the right or left side of the website content, you will get a context menu that has the option to turn on or off the wide layout mode. This will switch your website from a wide format to a more traditional website page layout. Alright, so that's it for this video. Take a look at our other how-to videos to learn all of the features of NicheBuilder. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact support.